Every day, millions of messages crisscross our digital landscape. But what happens when social media misfires create a storm of miscommunication? Often, a careless comment or misunderstood meme can spiral, leading to unintentional offense or misinformation. First, pause before you post. Ask yourself, is this message clear? Secondly, if faced with a misunderstanding, respond promptly. Acknowledge the mix-up and offer clarity. Lastly, consider direct communication. A private message can extinguish public confusion quickly. In our digital age, clarity is crucial. By thoughtfully navigating these virtual interactions, we can foster smoother, more meaningful online dialogues.